become as ubiquitous and as dependable as today's fuel stations.
Now, Britam paid out 97.3 million shillings in climate-related insurance claims in 2025, cushioning more than 402,000 farmers and pastoralists across East Africa. This is according to the insurer's latest sustainability report that shows demand for agricultural insurance is accelerating, with crop insurance coverage surging 83% to nearly 295,000 farmers. The trend highlights the increasing role of climate risk financing as extreme weather events continue to threaten food production.
We power up to 50% of our power needs using solar, recycling what we can. But what I wanted to talk about specifically is designing products that bring into the fold marginalized communities, whether it is insurance products for pastoralists and farmers, whether it's about products that are designed using parametric data to help communities that are affected or impacted by climate change, to enable them to get back on their feet.
And so what that 200,000 and projects and initiatives have taught us, they have given us data, they have given us thoughts and ideas of where the need truly is. The farmers need sustainable water provision. The farmers need sustainable arable practices. The farmers need sustainable investment flow. The farmers need access to markets. So when you are now on the ground, you begin to have conversations with those farmers. Who else can we bring on board from a point of partnership?
Well, that story right there does it for KTN Business Prime. My name is Kelly Boss, but KTN Prime continues.